So now we're going to talk about how to submit a ticket. So if we go right here, this is the easiest way to get started. Under tickets, you log in, you push create a ticket. You talk about what the ticket is. Something is broken on the website. Something is broken. Make sure put a detailed description. And you can also attach an image of what's going on. And when you attach images, one thing that you can do, I'll show you an example, is you can mark these images up. So you can go in here, you can circle things, you can say, hey, this is not right, this is not right. And it will send it to us and we'll know exactly what's wrong. And if you want to go even further, you can screen record. So basically you can select, let's say, let's select this window, you can share, and then you can screen record. So you can see, I'm going to put allow so you can see now it's recording. If I stop, it's going to have that screen recording right now. And then you can submit the ticket and we'll be able to see the ticket here and you'll be able to see the ticket here as we move it through the different stages of the pipeline to make sure that we're handling any problems that you may have during your time with us. That's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next one.